We would like to express our special thanks of gratitude to our social science teacher, Mrs. Jasvinder Kaur ma'am, for giving us this golden opportunity to do this wonderful project. We were able to learn so many things about Sikkim as well as Delhi. We are really thankful.
Four friends from Chandigarh got homework of doing research and comparison between Sikkim and Delhi. Two students went to Sikkim and the other two went to Delhi. They called each other from their respective places and tell each other about the research.
Hello, how are you both?
Hi, we are good. What about you?
We both are good too.
So, have you done any research yet?
Yes, we have done a lot of research. Have you?
We have ample of information of Delhi. Let's compare.
Firstly, have a look what I have made. This is a famous dish of Sikkim. This is momos.
Oh, they really looks delicious.
Hey, I have also made a famous dish of Delhi. This is chole bhature.
These are looking very tempting.
Hey guys, what about those projects which our teacher told us to make?
Are you talking about the drawing of dresses and at Qutub Minar?
Yeah, have you completed it?
Yes, I have.
Can you please show that to us?
Yes, sure. I have made this drawing of the dresses people wear in Delhi and Sikkim.
This is awesome.
Hey Aryan, what about your Qutub Minar? We guys want to see your project too.
It's done. Have a look. This is a Qutub Minar. This is a famous monument of Delhi. This is made by Iltutmish.
Wow Aryan, it's really amazing.
Okay, so starting with history, we learned a lot about it from the locals. They are really good people. They told us that
After establishing Rabdense as his new capital, Bhutia king Tensum Namgyal built a palace and asked his Limbu queen to name it. The Lepcha people, the original inhabitants of Sikkim, called it Nai Me El, meaning paradise.
the kingdom of Sikkim was founded by the Namgyal dynasty in the 17th century. It was ruled by Buddhist priest kings known as the Chogyal. It became a princely state of British India in 1890. Following Indian independence, Sikkim continued its protectorate status with the Union of India after 1947 and the Republic of India after 1950. It enjoyed the highest literacy rate and per capita income among Himalayan states. In 1973, anti-royalist riots took place in front of the Chogyal's palace. In 1975, after the Indian Army took over the city of Gangtok, a referendum was held that led to the deposition of the monarchy and Sikkim joining India as its 22nd state. The total area of Sikkim is 7096 km square.
The state has 5 seasons: winter, summer, spring, autumn, and monsoon season. Sikkim's climate ranges from subtropical in the south to tundra in the north. Most of the inhabited regions of Sikkim experience a temperate climate with temperatures seldom exceeding 28 degrees Celsius and 82 degrees Fahrenheit in summer. The average annual temperature for most of Sikkim is around 18 degrees Celsius and 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Sikkim is one of the few states in India to receive regular snowfall. The snow line ranges from 6,100 meters in the south of the state to 4,900 meters in the north. The tundra type region in the north is snowbound for 4 months every year, and the temperature drops below 0 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Fahrenheit almost every night. In the northwestern Sikkim, the peaks are frozen year round because of the high altitude. Temperatures in the mountains can drop as low as minus 40 degrees Celsius and minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit in winter. During the monsoon, heavy rains increase the risk of landslides. The record for the longest period of continuous rain in Sikkim is 11 days. Sikkim flora. Sikkim can be basically divided into 3 zones: the tropical from almost sea level to about 5,000 feet, the temperate from 5,000 to 11,000 feet, and the alpine above 11,000 feet. Till 10,000 feet, there are terrace farmlands in which the rice, maize, barley, and millet are grown. Hydrangea flower of Sikkim. Hydrangea flower is very common in Asia, mainly in Himalayan mountain regions. The flower grows at an altitude of 1,000 to 3,000 meters. Flower color depends upon the acidity or basicity of soil. In acidic soil, there are availability of aluminium ions, so they grow blue, whereas in alkaline soil, they are pink to red. The flowers are big and grows at the top of the branch with clusters of tepals. The flower grows during monsoon time and found Gangtok, Lachung, Lachen, Peling everywhere in Sikkim. The colors range from the richest to the palest in species as varied as Cymbidiums, Vandas, Cattleyas, Dendrobiums, Horiana, Farmeri, and Ammonium. The state flower is the noble orchid of the Dendrobium. There are about 36 species of rhododendron in Sikkim, found at height of 10,000 feet.
Some common animals found in Sikkim are the snow leopard, Himalayan tahr, Asian black bear, Tibetan wolf, leopard cat, marbled cat, and the musk deer.
Agriculture is the primary occupation of the inhabitants of the state. The major crops of the state include rice, maize, tea, soybean, ginger, orange, pears, potato, and tomato. It is the top producer and exporter of large cardamoms in the country.
The air quality index of 8 cities at Sikkim are Jorethang 120, Naya Bazar 120, Namchi 117, Rangpo 117, Gyalshing 103, Singtam 97, Gangtok 91, and Mangan 80. Popular landmarks of Sikkim are the Nathula Pass, the Rumtek Monastery, Siddheshwar Dham, Rangka Monastery, Samdrupse, Hanuman Top, and Buddha Park.
Kanchenjunga at 8,598 meters is the third highest peak in the world and lies in Sikkim. More than 60% of the former Himalayan kingdom of Sikkim is mountainous, and there are sizable numbers of 6,000 meter peaks on the eastern and western borders of the state. The food of Sikkim is a rich mixture of Nepalese, Tibetan, and native Sikkimese food. This blend of the three cultures is very soothing on the taste buds and leaves you craving as soon as you drop your plate. Maize is one of the staple produce consumed in Sikkim. The cuisine of Sikkim is majorly non-vegetarian. There are a couple of dishes which people of Sikkim prefer the most. First, momos. Second, thukpa. Third, phak shapa. Fourth, shafale. Fifth, gundruk. Sixth, sinki. Seventh, dal bhat. Eighth, dindo.
Famous politicians of Sikkim.
Festivals in Sikkim are a story that never fails to attract attention and admiration, which is one of the best times to visit Sikkim. While India celebrates all her festivals with much sound, both in form of firecrackers and human enthusiasm, Sikkim is more colorful with its decorations and dances, as it maintains the organic and clean feel that the world has come to associate with this paradise. Rustic beliefs, colorful decorations, and a whole lot of laughter characterize some of the best festivals of Sikkim. Top 5 Sikkim festivals are: first, Saga Dawa; second, Pang Lab Sol; third, Losong or the Sonam Losar; fourth, International Flower Festival; fifth, Bhumchu Festival.
The earliest architectural relic date back to the Maurya period in 1966. An inscription of the Mauryan Empire Ashoka was discovered near Srinivaspuri. King Alangpal of the Tomra dynasty founded the city of Lalkot in 736 CE. Prithviraj Chauhan conquered Lalkot in 1178 and renamed it Kila Rai Pithora. The King Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated in 1192 by Muhammad Ghori in the Second Battle of Tiran, a Muslim invader from Afghanistan who made a concerted effort to conquer northern India. Sultan's daughter of Iltutmish, Razia Sultan, succeeded him as the Sultan of Delhi. She was the first and the only woman to rule over Delhi. Babur was a descendant of Genghis Khan and Taimur from the Fergana Valley in modern day Uzbekistan. In 1526, he invaded India, defeated the last Lodhi Sultan in the First Battle of Panipat, and founded the Mughal Empire that ruled from Delhi and Agra. In 1553, the Hindu king Hemu acceded to the throne of Delhi by defeating the forces of Mughal Empire Humayun at the Agra. However, the Mughal re-established their rule after Akbar's army defeated Hemu during the Second Battle of Panipat in 1556. Shah Jahan rebuilt the seventh city of Delhi that bears his name, Shahjahanabad, which served as the capital of Mughal Empire from 1638 and is today known as the Old City or Old Delhi.
The old name of Delhi was Indraprastha. It was the capital of Pandavas.
The climate of Delhi. The climate of Delhi is an overlap between monsoon influenced humid subtropical and semi-arid with high variation between summer and winter temperature and precipitation. The air quality in Delhi, the capital territory of India according to WHO survey of 1650 world city is the worst of any major city in the world. In Delhi, the poor quality air irreversible damage the lungs of 2.2 million or 50% of all children. In Dwarka, the air quality index is 57 and in Vikaspuri, the air quality index is 34.
Agriculture is a major component of the Delhi economy. India's agricultural policies have focused strongly on rural areas, aiming to achieve self sufficiency in food production and to reduce rural poverty. Food is any substance consumed to provide nutritional support for an organism. It contains essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, or minerals. Rich, spicy, and extremely popular chole bhature in Delhi is a must try food combination. Golgappa is a type of snack that originated in the Indian subcontinent and is one of the most common street food in India. Pav Bhaji is a fast food dish from India. It originates in the state of Maharashtra.
New Delhi, an urban area in Delhi Union Territory, is the seat of the state government of Delhi and the government of India. The Chief Minister of Delhi is Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. The Health Minister of Delhi is Satyendra Kumar Jain. The Education Minister of Delhi is Mr. Manish Sisodia.
Delhi is one of the most versatile states of India, but many, or you can say most of the people, are into government jobs in Delhi. Government jobs like engineers, doctors, teachers, etc. most preferred here.